Hey guys, we are back again. Press the bell icon to stay connected and never miss a video.
Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet, but that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The Smart Wallet helps rob in a variety of situations. Situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. But it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got